we're taking a look at the Xiaomi 15. Good day, you beautiful people. Welcome to LAZADA's Tech, where we do tech in your life in style. Today's video is on another phone that just got announced. Alongside the Xiaomi 15 Ultra, we also get the Xiaomi 15. I'm not gonna dilly-dally, let's unbox. I'm absolutely loving the size of this phone, but what else am I excited about? First of all, these are still Leica cameras on there. There are 350 megapixel shooters just on the back here. And this thing is also powered by a Snapdragon 8 Elite chip. You guys know what that means. I'm definitely interested in taking this out for a vlog test, so stay tuned for that video. In the meantime, let's take a closer look at this phone. So this is the green Xiaomi 15, but as you can see, it doesn't look as green. It's like a very light green and it's matte. I love that. This is the camera bump and of course the 4 Leica cameras. Again, I'm loving that texture. You have flat sides and on the right, you get a volume rocker and a lock button. At the bottom, speaker grill, USB-C port, your SIM tray, and then a clean other sides. And yeah, as you can see, this is a flat screen device. That's a 32 megapixel selfie shooter up front, and that is of course a really snappy phone. Let's see. Yes, you have all the details here. So this is a lot of storage, 512. I actually really like the size of this. I would rather smaller phones still, but in today's time, this is what one of the smaller phone looks like already. I still obviously can't reach to the top with one hand, but feels nice, feels very premium. Right, so we have wide 1x, 2x, 2.6x, 5x up until what? Wait, it's still going. Look, no, we're at 40 times zoom now, 60 times zoom. Like that's the Leica branding on the back of the phone. Look. Back to wide, and then here you have EV. On this side you have your different filters. Here you have your beautify mode. Up here you have flash, motion capture, that's Google Lens. You also have your dynamic shot, HDR, and your different Leica styles. So you have Leica authentic, you have Leica vibrant, and then to the other side you have your portrait mode, and this is 60mm. You have 23, 35, 60, 75, and can you zoom in? No, you cannot. On here you have your different bokeh styles, and then you get the beauty mode and more filters. You have HD portrait, HDR, and again you can change the portrait style here. So there's like a portrait and there's master portrait. You get a document scanner, very useful, and then more. You have a night mode, a 50 megapixel mode, a panorama mode, there's a movie mode, there's a slow motion mode, dual video, time-lapse, long exposure, super mode, and a director mode, which I'm assuming it has more pro settings, as you can see here, and it allows you to use the 3 different cameras and shows you all the different camera settings. Toggle down and it gives you more settings. You can shoot and log as well. And then back to the other side on video, you have wide 1x, 2x, 2.6x, 5x, up until 15x. Back to wide. Down here you have your EV, your different filters, a beauty mode that does downgrade to a 1080p when you turn it on. And then up here, it shows you Master Cinema. So it only works on the main camera. Let's see. If I turn it on, there you go. Master Cinema is on. You have 4K, 8K shooting up until 30 or 24 FPS. And then on 4K, you have 30, 60, or 24 FPS. Toggle down, you get more settings, and then you got this, which is fast shot. Interesting. I feel like this is a new mode. You get 23, 28, 35, 50, 85 millimeter. I feel like this would be a good like street photo mode. And then autofocus, you get different depths for autofocus. EV here. What's this? Ooh, you have an extended viewfinder, different focusing distance, presets. You can even do panning car shot. Nice. So here they actually give you the different camera features. So you have watermark, assist cameras. Oh my gosh. You can use another phone to preview what's happening. Okay, we're gonna try this at some point. Let me know if you guys want to see that. Director mode, long exposure mode. Honestly, Xiaomi cameras have so many features, it's unreal. And then you have a pro mode, which you can do video or photo on. You get all the different settings as well. Now let's go to the selfies. Let's see, there's HDR video, there's 4K 30 or 60 FPS. If you turn off HDR, you get your beautify mode, a more detailed one, and then you get your filters as well. Under photos, can you zoom in or out? Oh, there's a wide. There's also a live photo mode, beauty filters and filters. On portrait mode, you get your different filter adjustment. You have your beauty mode, you have your filters, up here your fill light, ooh, HD portrait, and then you have documents, and then we're back to more. Now, on to some sample shots. So that was our unboxing of the Xiaomi 15. Let me know what you guys think. Of course, it's just our first look at this phone, so feel free to comment down below what you'd want me to see me try with this phone. If you want a camera vlog test, though, I feel like I'm gonna do that anyway. If you want a social media test, comment down below. That's it for today. If you want to see how I use my tech on a daily basis, find me online. That's isadoes_ on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Till next time.